Oh, got one already. Dang. Small one though. But still, it's a pretty good hit. That's what I'm talking about. Good, nice action today. Small, but hey, it works. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Don't mess up my hook too much. I came off by itself. Throw this bad boy back and wait till the next one. Pretty cool. Nice size. Hit it pretty close too. Let's this bad boy go. Please don't flip your stuff at me. Oh yeah. Small, but something. Come to daddy. To daddy. See that right there? Small. Alright, something. Come on. Ooh. He swallowed the whole thing. Second one. Not too bad. Back in. Just a little bit. Small, but hey, some kind of action. See that? Nice looking bass. Alright, where you going, man? Get up out of here. There you go, he gone. Where the big one's at? Oh, got him. Thought that one hit. Yeah. That one hit it kind of hard though. A little bigger. Still kind of small though. A lot of small ones out there today. Pull a little bit. Felt that one hit. Not too bad on that sexy, on my sexy shad. That's like I call it. Sexy second. Come on, let me get you out. So you can go back, I'll catch you again. Oh, nice looking thing. Get out of here. Whoa. Not a steady rock to stand on. Ooh. Oh yeah. Looked on. Oh yeah. I know it's not the keeper though. Oh yeah. Cool action today. I'm talking about. Is it a keeper though? No. A little bigger though. Getting bigger. Getting bigger and bigger. Oh, it might be an 18 though. 17, 18. Doesn't matter. I'm not keeping that. Gotta be big though. Got to be big. Yeah, 17. 17, 38. 17. Come on, man. Stop. Put them right in his head. It wasn't coming off. See, a little bigger. Oh, yeah. They're getting bigger. You give it a kiss. Maybe you'll catch me a bigger one. Get bigger. Pride Rock. Let's see what you got in store for me over here. Man, the water should be higher, but it's starting to go down. Oh, right here. Dang, it came all the way in here and ate. Oh, this might be a keeper. Oh, shit. This be a keeper? Oh, still on me. Dang, first cast at Pride Rock. Smacked one, though. Pretty good. That's not a keeper. Oh, man. I tightened up my drag, though. It'll be hard, though. Pretty hard. I can't get it out today. Mm-hmm. Oh, the multiple times, that's why. Alright, little fella. Grow up and get big. Ooh, let me go. Pretty good, pretty good. Pretty good. Shit. Oh! You piece of shit. I gotta let it take it a little bit. Bird nest right there. Damn it. I'm fucking up. Shit. Man. God. 2. That's 2 already today. Oh, came in here, ate it. Damn. He came all the way up here. Took it. Nice. Oh, where's the keepers at, man? Where the keepers at, man? Oh, this might be my keeper right here. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm keeping this one. Yeah, for sure. Keeper, baby. Keeper. That's the keeper. That's the keeper. Keeper. Oh, stop. The better spot to go down and get this motherfucker out, man. I don't know, he looks small though. He looks small, but no, it might not be a keeper though. It might not be a keeper. No, it's not. Damn, it felt like it's hella big, man. Like fucking 16, 17. Shit. Fuckers, man. Get big. Shit. Bird's nest again. Oh! Oh yeah! Oh, I thought it was nice. I saw it swimming. Silverness of it. Oh, nice. Oh. Might be. Get my keeper. Tightened up my drag and it's pulling it. Don't come on, baby. Don't come on. Oh yeah, you see that? Now you see that? Oh yeah. That's alright. Let it fight. Let it run. So nice. Come over here so I can get it better. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah, look at that there. You can see it in the water. It looks so nice. Oh. Damn, you're pretty good though. Pretty good luck. New fishing pole. New reel, new everything though. Nice shit. Don't need no boat. That shit on land. All day. Woo wee! Keeper, baby. Keeper, keeper, keeper. That's definitely a keeper. Oh yeah, finally got one. Keeper, looks like 20 something. At least 21. It's pretty fat. Oh yeah, it's fat. That's what I'm talking about. First keeper, 21, 22.